Hello Central Kentucky. If you're in the process of buying or selling a home in Versailles, Woodford County, Kentucky, or if you are just curious about the current market there, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our update of the latest local real estate trends as of October 2023. We're going to explore the 5 real estate indicators that are shaping the housing market in Versailles, Woodford County, and how each impacts buyers and sellers. By the time we're through, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of who benefits given the current market conditions. We'll even take it a step further by covering what buyers and sellers need to know to make the best real estate decisions. And we're off. The first indicator is month's supply of inventory. This indicator reveals how long the current inventory of properties in Versailles, Woodford County would last at the current rate of sales. In October 2023, the month's supply of inventory stood at 1.84 months, indicating that if no new properties were added and sales remained steady, it would take around 55 days to sell all the properties on the market. Compared to the previous month, the month's supply of inventory fell 14%. Looking back a year, it is down 10.7%. 6 months' supply of inventory represents a balanced market, favoring neither buyers nor sellers. With the current 1.84 months supply of inventory, buyers find that homes are snatched up quickly, potentially leading to multiple offers and increased competition. For sellers, it indicates that the market is moving at a quick pace. This presents a favorable environment for sellers looking to make a move in the current market conditions. Now, let's shift our focus to the current inventory. This indicator gives us a snapshot of the number of homes currently available for sale. It's important to note that the number of homes on the market can vary as it depends on when the report is generated. By consistently using the same day each month, we can establish meaningful month-to-month trends. As of October 15th, there were 39 unsold homes available on the market in Versailles, Woodford County. This represents a 11.4% decrease compared to the previous month. When compared to last year, we observe a decrease of 30.4% in the number of unsold homes on the market. The current inventory serves as a balancing act for both homebuyers and home sellers. Buyers have fewer options to consider than last month, making it harder to find a home that perfectly matches their preferences and requirements. Sellers operate in a market where demand remains robust. With the right pricing and marketing approach, sellers can stand out in the crowd. With the current inventory holding relatively steady, this indicator continues to favor sellers. Stay tuned as we delve into the remaining indicators, including the most requested indicator, providing you with a comprehensive overview of the Versailles, Woodford County real estate market. Next, the existing home sales volume measures the total sale price value of properties whose sales contracts were completed during the month. In October 2023, a total of $7.14 million worth of property was sold in Versailles, Woodford County. This represents a 17.4% decrease compared to the previous month. When compared to last year's $5.72 million worth of sold property, we find that the existing home sales volume is up 24.8%. For buyers, this shows a slowing market. It might signal a moment to make your move, especially if you've been eyeing a property. For home sellers, it indicates that there's a substantial demand for homes. It's a sign that you're operating in a market where buyers are eager to purchase. It's important to note that the existing home sales volume indicator favors neither buyers nor sellers. Instead, it provides a gauge of the market activity during this period. Now, let's turn our attention to the median sales price, the most requested real estate indicator. The median sales price provides insights into the midpoint price of homes sold in a specific area during a given month. Unlike the average sales price, the median sales price eliminates the influence of exceptionally high-priced homes, giving us a more accurate representation of the market. In October 2023, the median sales price for a home in Versailles, Woodford County, stood at $339,500. This reflects an increase of 2.5% in prices compared to the previous month. However, prices are down 9.5% over last year. Buyers, this increase might catch your attention, but it's essential to view it in context. It's often a sign of a shifting market, and for buyers, it presents an opportunity. While prices are up compared to a month ago, they are down almost 10% from last year's hot market. Sellers, you might be concerned by the year-over-year reduction in home prices. However, it's crucial to recognize that real estate markets are dynamic. This is part of the natural market ebb and flow. The median sales price is up compared to last month and is also above the $325,600 average median sales price over the last year. For sellers, it might be a moment to reassess your pricing strategy, but it doesn't signal a crisis. It's a reminder that this is still a seller's market. Before we summarize the 5 key indicators for October 2023 and reveal who benefits from the overall market in Versailles, Woodford County, let's take a look at the continuous days on market, an indicator that provides insights into the average number of days it takes for a listing to go under contract. This calculation considers the period from when a property is listed until it is under contract, subtracting any days when the property was off the market. In October 2023, the continuous days on market for Versailles, Woodford County, stood at 28 days. This represents a noticeable 33.4% decrease compared to the previous month. When compared to last year, we observe a 27.3% increase in the continuous days on market, when homes were on the market for an average of just 22 days. For buyers, the decrease in days on market means they'll have less time to search for a home and will need to act as swiftly to find a property they love. With the decreased days on market, the competition among buyers increases. For sellers, the market continues to move rapidly. There is demand for your home. Decreased days on market can mean less time, effort, and cost spent on property maintenance and holding costs. Homes are selling faster, providing a favorable environment for sellers, offering a relatively quick turnaround due to the shorter duration it takes to find buyers. Now, let's recap the valuable insights we've gathered about the key local housing market indicators for October 2023 in Versailles, Woodford County, Kentucky. We determined that the month's supply of inventory favors sellers, indicating that homes are still selling at a fast pace. This creates an advantageous environment for sellers in terms of pricing and competition. Current inventory favors sellers, with the low inventory holding steady. The existing home sales volume, as we mentioned, is a gauge of the market activity during this period and favors neither buyers nor sellers. The median sales price, reflecting the midpoint price of homes sold, also favors sellers. The median sales price increased in October and indicates a thriving market where sellers can benefit from higher property values. Lastly, the continuous days on market indicator shows that homes continue to go under contract quickly, favoring sellers who can find buyers faster. Considering these key metrics collectively, the overall market indicators for October 2023 in Versailles, Woodford County, Kentucky favor sellers. Before we sign off, we want to provide some practical guidance for both buyers and sellers. Buyers. Inventory fell compared to last month, meaning that you now have fewer homes from which to choose. Mortgage interest rates are at their highest since 2000. When interest rates jump, decisive buyers have a narrow window to capitalize on less competition, while others may pause to consider. Remember the adage, marry the home and date the rate. If you find your home, you can potentially refinance as rates settle back down. Prices are up from last month. However, that trend is likely to continue. With low inventory and strong demand, it's likely prices will go higher. If you find the right house, wouldn't it be great to make the move while all these factors are in your favor? Sellers. Timing the market is nearly impossible. The best we can do is read and react to the data available. Prices are strong, with low inventory levels. Well-positioned listings with a great mix of price and condition sell quickly. Days on market is 28 days, which means homes continue to sell quickly. Have your realtor run the numbers based on the market and see if that achieves your financial goals. It's best to act now if you're ready to sell. If you like this market update, share it with a friend and please reach out if you have any questions or suggestions. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed real estate decisions in Versailles, Woodford County. Each month, we explore the latest local real estate trends of central Kentucky counties. In addition to Versailles Woodford County, we provide updates on Frankfort Franklin County, Lexington Fayette County, Georgetown Scott County, Nicholasville Jessamine County, and Lawrenceburg Anderson County. And if you're interested in a broader perspective, be sure to watch our monthly national real estate metrics videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more insights next month. Thanks for watching.